Jiangsu Hewbonn Paper Industrial Company Limited was founded in 2008 with advanced management concept and strict quality control system, has become an excellent supplier of sanitary products industry. At present, we have established good cooperation with more than 50 countries all over the world, including Asia, North America, Central and South America, Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Australia. We have associated factories. Zhongshun Paper Factory mainly produces roll paper and folding paper. Roll paper includes standard toilet paper, JRT, roll towel, kitchen towel, etc. Folding paper includes facial tissue, interlace paper towel, toilet lid, diaper, etc. We could supply at least 60,000 tons of products per year. There are 7 automatic production lines for toilet paper products, 6 automatic production lines for facial tissue products. Our advantage is providing OEM products according to customers' requirements, and we can help you design your packing bag. We also have our own brand which can meet your fast delivery requirement because we always have it in stock. The company adheres to the corporate culture of honesty, cooperation, win-win, adheres to the implementation of international quality standards, and continuously improves sales and service capabilities. It proves a large number of quality products for the customer from all over of the world, and this wins a good reputation among the customers. Hewbonn warmly welcome the clients from all over the world to visit and inquiry business with us.